Okay, here you go. Like I said, you can hear the thunder. It was getting pretty bad there. I think it's just kind of go over top of us, or it's going around. But you can see what it is. It's a chicken feeder I picked up, and I made this little. Let me back up a little bit here. I made this little. I don't know what you want to call it. Looks like a house without two sides on it, and the bees will come in from both sides. And they'll drink the liquid, the sugar water we stick in there. Sometimes you'll get some invaders in there, like yellow jackets or whatever like that. Now we filled this up yesterday, and they drank everything. Well, they took everything out of it. You can see. Let me get a little closer shot. They've cleaned this out, all of it. I mean, and we're gonna fill it up again for them. They seem to like it pretty good. It's been sitting here for a little while, and they just found it, and I do believe they're enjoying their little bee stop, or what do you want to call it, the little stop and go for the bees. And I wanted to put that in there. Pretty nice little thing. I want to build another one of these, and I'll put another station up, a little drinking or feed station, as we call it, something like that. So I thought I'd put it on there and let you guys check it out. It's just made out of some plywood and some paint I had left over, and a chicken feeder. Like I said, I picked up at I picked up Royal King for like $5, $6 or something like that. It works really well. And having a little roof over top of it kind of keeps the rain and stuff out of it. So, okay, there you go. It's a short video on the little bee station, I guess that's what you want to call it. So I can feed my bees throughout the year. Mostly in the summer. I don't think you do it in the winter time. I think they'd be in the box. So, okay, thanks for watching.